Hello, friends. Today we will learn one of the most commonly used tenses in Turkish, the present tense. So, what are you doing right now? You are watching me. I am speaking. You are learning. Today we will uncover the secret of these structures. By the end of the video, you will be able to construct hundreds of sentences like I am coming, I am going, I am working. Now, let's see the formula of Turkish. Verb root. I, u, yor. Person suffix. That's it. Yes, it sounds incredibly simple, but you will soon see why this makes so much sense. But there is a small secret. We don't randomly choose suffixes in Turkish. We look at the last vowel. A or I, e or i, o or u, or u. Turkish actually works like a math. Once you learn the rules, everything gets easier. Let's examine this together. Gel plus I plus yor plus which is geliyorum, meaning I am coming. Koş plus u plus yor plus sun, which is koşuyorsun, meaning you are running. Gül plus ü plus yor plus uz, which is gülüyoruz, meaning we are laughing. Did you see? Everything works with the same system. Now let's pay attention. There are a few small exceptions in Turkish. These are bekle, bekliyor, means he or she is waiting. Git, gidiyor, means he or she is going. Tat, tadıyor, means he or she is tasting. Some letters can change completely, but don't worry, these exceptions are very few and you will naturally learn them over time. You can book a private lesson for more information. So what if we're not doing something? It's very easy. We add the suffix ma or me to the verb. Geliyorum, which is positive, means I am coming. But how do we make it negative? Gelmiyorum means I am not coming. Yes, as you can see, now we can form not only positive but also negative sentences. Now let's take another look at the formula. Verb, negation suffix yor, person suffix. When you learn this structure, your daily conversations will be much more natural. Let's all see the difference together. Okuyorum means I am reading. Okumuyorum means I am not reading. Geliyorsun means you are coming. Gelmiyorsun means you are not coming. Yüzüyor means he or she is swimming. Yüzmüyor means he or she is not swimming. Only a small suffix changes, but the meaning completely changes. Now let's look at a very commonly used verb. To love means sevmek. I love you means seni seviyorum. I don't love you means seni sevmiyorum. There are only a few letters of difference between these two sentences, but their meanings are completely different. Now we come to the fun part of the job, asking questions. You are coming means geliyorsun. Are you coming means geliyor musun? It's very easy to form questions in Turkish. We just use the suffixes mu, mu. Let's read the table. Am I coming means geliyor muyum? Are you coming means geliyor musun? Is he or she coming means geliyor mu? Are we coming means geliyor muyuz? Are you, plural, coming means geliyor musunuz? And the one that is not in the table but can be used, like in the third person singular, onlar geliyor mu or onlar geliyorlar mı? Now we can both speak and ask questions. Now we have come to a very important point. Please pay attention here. many students make mistakes here. The correct form is onlar geliyorlar mı? Means, are they coming? But the sentence onlar geliyor mular is incorrect. We can now ask more detailed questions. To gather information, we can use the WH questions. Some of these are ne means what, kim means who, nerede means where, neden means why. These 4 words are the most commonly used question words in everyday Turkish. Today we learned a lot. Let's take a look at what these are. First of all, the positive sentence structure in the present tense, the negative structure, the question structure, vowel harmony, and finally, the personal suffixes. Actually, you are now in a position to construct a large part of daily conversations in Turkish. Hadi, now it's your turn. Try to fill in the blanks. Don't forget to write the answers in the comments. And write this sentence in the comments. I am learning Turkish now. Let's see how many people can write it correctly. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next lesson.